Today is Monday and we are going to do an unboxing. So, unbagging pala. Kakarating lang ng parcel natin from Melbourne. And I'm very, very excited, guys. Alam niyo ba kung anong laman nito? These are all Filipino products. What did you do? All Filipino products na binili ko online and it came from Melbourne. So, I'm so excited. Nabuksan kasi alam niyo naman, guys.
Wow, pink.
Oh my God. Okay, open. Pagdating sa mga Filipino goodies, ay
Mom, what's that?
sobrang natutuwa talaga si Mami niyo.
Mom, what is that?
Yeah, we'll open together. Hang on, excuse me for a second, so we can cut this bit. There you go. Oh my goodness.
What is that? What is that?
Look at this.
What is that? Mom, what is that?
Bubble wrap pa
Mom,
siya.
what is that?
Yeah, we'll open together, okay?
What is that, Mommy?
Thank you for your purchase and for supporting my small
What is
business.
that, Mommy?
Ayan. So,
What
the
is
seller,
that?
guys, yeah, we'll open anak. Ilalagay ko yung seller details sa screen. Oh my Lord. So, itong seller na to, guys, nakita ko sila first sa eBay. So, nakabili na ako ng, alam niyo, rejuvenating set sa kanila. Tapos, for some reason, sa Facebook ko, pop-up yung website na to. And then, I realized na connected lang pala sila nung binilahan ko sa, sa eBay.
Papa.
Yes. So, nag-check out ako kaagad, guys. At alam niyo ba kung bakit? Naghanap ako ng products ng SY Glow. Ito talaga yung name na hinanap ko, guys. Tingnan niyo.
Mom, this
Oh,
more.
diba? Mga Bisaya dyan. Oh, Mother Lou. Patry ko na rin
Mommy,
yung
there's more.
whitening, ano
Mommy,
daw,
there's
lotion. Oh, yeah, there's more. So, ito yung binili ko na SY Glow SPF 70 Intense Whitening na lotion. Ayan. O, diba? Nakita ko kasi si Mother Lou, guys, sa Facebook. She's all over, social media. So, ayan. Nabudol niya ako, guys. My whitening soap. So, tingnan natin kung mag-work siya. I might do a review, actually. Pag ginamit ko na to siya. May isa pang product na wala pala silang stock. So, na-order ko, tapos nag-message sa akin yung may-ari, si Sis Jen, na ano daw sila, run out of stock. So, change ko na lang ng something else. Pero, ano ata yun, yung cream. Something, whipped cream. Yung SY Glow Bleaching Cream. Yun pala yung wala. Actually, my other stuff as well na out of stock na pala sila. Yung Mikmik. Oh my God, yung Mikmik na nakita ko sa website nila. Sobrang natuwa ako, guys. Kasi it's been, I don't know, ilang dekada na ba since hindi ako nakakain ng Mikmik, guys. Since yung mga snacks natin before nung kabataan natin, especially 90s. And also, bumili ako ng Bear brand na 135 grams. Wala na silang available. 840 grams na lang yung naiwan. So, we changed it to something else. Anyways, yun na nga. Itatry ko to, guys. Kasi, kung tayo talaga ay kikinis sa SY Glow at puputi tayo katulad ni Mother Lou, I will keep you updated for that. For now, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano pang nabili ko dito. O ito yung nangyari, guys. Kasi, yung naubusan sila ng, yung ibang binili ko. Ito yung pinalit. So, it's the Her Skin Revita Glow Skin Rescue Kit. Ayan. Hindi ko talaga planong bumili nito, guys. But then, ito yung parang ito yung parang magkatugma yung price. So, ito yung pinili ko. And hopefully, let's see. This might make me, flawless. Ito, may 7 days na power soap. Ayan, dalawa siya. 550 each ata ito siya. Ayan. Sobra akong na-excite, guys. At alam nyo ba kung ano yung mas pinakamaganda sa website na to? It's because they offer free shipping if you order over 100 Australian dollars. So, kaya yung pinili ko guys, kaya dinagdagan ko ng dinagdagan kasi gusto ko umabot ng 100. Kasi alam nyo na, para sulit din. Para sulit din, di ba? Kasi, kaysa naman magbayad ka pa ng shipping fee, kung pwede namang free na lang. At gagamitin mo naman talaga lahat ng to. Diba? So, ito, ano pa to? Free! Sample, not for sale. Binigyan niya ako nito. Thank you, Sis Jen. Lux Organics. Iba talaga yung mga Pinoy. Iba talaga intensive whitening. Lahat talaga nakasulat sa mga
What is that, Mommy?
skin natin. Ay,
What
mga
is
whitening. This one this reminds me so much of my high school days. Vitres. Sino ang nakagamit nito? Taas niyo ang mga paa niyo. Super in love ako nito nung high school days ko. High school ba? Or katapos ko ng high school? Hindi man tayo nakakabili nito kapag high school noon Kasi 2 pesos lang yung baon natin, di ba? So, ito siya ay for extra shiny, silky, smooth hair. So, I believe this one was $10. Around there. Basta yung binayad ko dito sa mga ano to ay $100. Ayan. So, bumili din ako ng sunscreen. Wala silang sunscreen na SY Glow. So, ito yung pinili ko. Ayan. My Alden Recharge. Recharge! Sun Protection Gel Cream. Ayan. Another one. Whitening. O, ayan. Talagang puputi na yung mga kasingit-singitan natin dito. And then, oh my God. Oh my God. So excited. Do you want to try this out, huh? Si Celine na yung aalis na si Celine kasi sinasabi
Okay, I want to try it,
Oh,
Mommy.
you want to try it? Okay. So this is the Piaya. Bonbons.
Bonbons.
Bonbons. Yeah, Bonbons Marcoses. Ikaw lang talaga, Piaya.
I want it.
Yeah, okay, well, try, okay? Ito lang ba yung bibili kong pagkain pala? Ito nabibili ito guys sa Pilipinas. Kung, mapasalubong ba. Yun lang. So, I was very happy to see this sa website nila. Thank you, Sis Jen. Na try? We'll see if Celine likes it.
What is it?
Cake.
It's a cake.
Yeah. Try it and let me know what you think.
Try it.
Did you try it? Have what? Do you like it? Do you like it? This is Mama's favorite. Sarap nito ipare sa kape. Cheers. 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 Ngayon alam ko na kung saan makakabili.
Oh, yummy.
But we can't.
Gonna go pick up Ate? Ate's at school today, so it's her first day back after her 2 weeks na holiday. Anak! Ay, gawas na ng anak. Diyos ko. So, pick upin na natin ang ating ate. Si Baby Celine, ay tingnan nyo, naka-flower girl dress. Hindi ko man mahubad-hubad sa kanya. Hayaan na lang yan siya. She can get away with it. No? Still a baby. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? What are you then?
See.
Are you Celine? Kiss tayo mama. Kiss tayo mama. Ay, good girl. Love you so much. Love you so much.
I got invitation from my friend. Yeah. My birthday guy.
How's your first day back, ate?
Good.
Good?
I got information
in-invite siya.
Hello.
21st.
This is.
I saw this Sunday.
Look this hat.
Oh, it's at the same place lang. In
Look,
the
this is a hat.
Comsley Beach
Ma,
Resort.
look this
I
hat.
know, beautiful hair.
I think that's because she likes that place when I live.
Well, are you excited? Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go.
How's your first day?
Oh my
Back?
God.
Good? What did you do?
Lots of fun.
Yeah, Ate wants to play for a little bit. Go, you can play for a little bit. Go. Ate, don't leave Linity. Ay, yung ating baby Lini ay naka, ano man, gown.
Am I coming?
Hmm?
What? Am I coming?
Of course you are.
Yeah, then I got to a party that day.
Yeah.
And the second day. I'm going home, Mommy.
Going home?
Yeah.
First office kami. Madam. Yeah, may dalawa kaming ipopost. Sold one from Gumtree and the other one is from eBay. So, itong isa ay napack ko na. Ayan, yung mga information. Kasi meron na naman akong mga plastic sa bahay. But this one, kailangan ng malaking box. So, I think, hindi magkakasya dyan. Siguro, itong size na to.
Mom, this is burgers.
Squishy burgers. Is that a squishy burgers? Ay, magkasya kaya. Give this a try. Look, Ate Paris is trying the payaya. That's payaya.
Here's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
That's payaya, this one.
I'm going.
Rubbish. You like it? Oh, what does it taste like?
I put candy in the bean. Put the candy in the bean.
Thank you, Lily.
No candy.
No candies, that's right.
No pudding. Tastes like chocolate crackers.
Chocolate?
Chocolate crackers.
Yummy. Hindi ako na-expect na magugustuhan nila, guys. But it seems like mga anak ko, nagustuhan nila yung piyaya. I'm looking at you.
I'll take a photo.
Take a photo. Okay. Hey, George. My little Sophia. We're having lunch
Let me
outside,
see,
guys.
Mom.
Oh, I was taking a video, not a photo.
No. I don't want to.
Hmm? We're having teriyaki chicken with rice and then nagbabili si baby sila ng California na sushi. Hindi naman niya kinain. Sayang naman anak ko eh.
Mommy, I want some
But you
more.
want some more? Nagustuhan niya yung teriyaki chicken. I'm sure she's so happy with this little girl. Hmm? Napakaganang kumain. Thank you, Lord. Yummy! Palagi niya sa Silly girl. Tingnan niyo ang pa-outfit niya. Sus, andak ka naka-high heels si Manang. Asa ka mag-ballroom nang? Asa ka mag-ballroom nang? Hmm? Pinitulan ko yung bangs naman ni Ate Paris, guys. Yung sa kanya, okay. Ng Ate Paris, I think, parang napatulan ko ng too short. Yung sa kanya, okay lang. Eh. Yan mo? Okay. Mama will help you lang. Mama help you. Good girl. Okay, tingnan yung batang to. Ayun yung sumakay dito kasi niya maglakad with her high heels. Okay, move. Grocery lang kami konti. Wait, come on, someone's behind us. Come on. Oh. Banana. Free fruit for kids. You want this or apple? No, you can only choose one, anak. It's either banana or apple. I think banana is okay. Come on, let's go. Apple is very hard to eat. Come on, bring the banana. This way. Ah, lagi labog. Kalamit yun mo sila eh.
A few moments later.
Hi, baby.
Why didn't you come in?
Nagaga sila in the car. She's sleeping. How are you? Good? Okay, come back. You go on the other side so you won't disturb Celine. Come here. it's that time of the day na naman. We are cooking dinner. So tonight we will have porterhouse steak. And gagawa tayo nito. So since we have this in the fridge, patatas, lagyan natin ng duck fat. Ayan. Most of the time, niluluto namin siya sa oven. But this time, kasi na-try ko rin lutuin siya sa air fryer namin. And it's just easier that way. Hindi ko na kailangan i-preheat yung oven and all. Pag ito siya pakuluan. Tapos, pag medyo soft na siya, lagyan na ng duck fat. Lagay ko diretso sa air fryer. And voila! Dinner is served. Sobrang bilis lang. So, I've been using the SY Glow lotion today. Yun yung gamit ko today, guys. Actually, last night nag-shower ako. Yun yung ginamit ko. And I really like it. And then, I used the Her Skin na Revita Glow, yung rejuvenating set sa aking mukha. Alam nyo ba, ito tingnan nyo, itong mga taghiyawat na to, because I've been using the CeraVe brand dito sa Australia, guys, na retinol. Ginagamit ko siya every night kasi nga daw nakaka-erase ng melasma. Well, nakaka-help na maka-minimize ng melasma natin. But nag-breakout ako, guys. Tingnan nyo. See? Wala yan dyan siya before. But since nagamit ako noon, yan yung nangyari. I have one here as well. But na-feel ko yung Her Skin na Vita Glow na set. Ginamit ko from last night. Tapos kaninang umaga din. Yeah, nakakaano siya. Tawag ito. Parang siya nakaka-shiny siya ng mukha. Hindi siya oily. Pero nakakaano ba? Parang may glow. Ay, talaga naman talaga. Glow. Andun yung word na glow. So yeah, I can't wait na makakita ako ng result, you know, kasi unfortunately, I can't do the laser thing kasi nagpapadede pa tayo, guys, hindi pwede. So dito na lang muna tayo sa mga cream. Si Sophia na naging si Snow White. Yummy? Ayun ba, nakatulog yan siya kanina sa sasakyan. After pag-pick up sa atin niya, nag-stay muna kami sa car. Kasi natulog man. Kasi kahapon, hindi nag-nap. Hey, you didn't have a nap yesterday afternoon and you get really suki-suki in the evening. So, nayaan ko siyang matulog kaninang hapon. Yum? Wow! Strong teeth! Ayan, kinakat ko lang to, guys. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, siya daw yung magluluto ng steak eh. So, hayaan natin siya. So, ako yung magluluto nito. So, nakaluto na si Daddy Mike ng ating steak, guys. Gusto niya siya yung magluto kasi ayan, kung mas maganda siguro yung tingin niya paggaluto niya. You go, Louie. You wanna join in? Do you wanna join? Okay. You're so heavy, nah. Wanna join in, nah.
You let him there. He's gonna eat that steak.
All right, sige na. Look, cha. Gibungot ka na ba? I'm gonna cut some of this. We'll see if the kids go. You think the kids will give it a go? No. I love baby cucumbers.
Louie, come on, you dad. The bell?
Yeah, the bell.
Yeah, Celine wants to change her dress again for the 5th time today.